Hey yo, what's up there Zybes? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to have a makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. The first thing to do, we have this sponge here, and then this BB cream bright. It's from Etude House. The next one is this Perfect Cover BB Cream SPF 42 from Misha Skincare. And now let's mix it together and put it here. We're done. Now let's proceed to this Simply Pretty Avon. The product name is Shine No More Pressed Powder Almond. This one is Neutral Light Medium. And for the eyebrows, we're gonna be using this Deep Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly. Now we will be using the concealer to look more even better. Okay, so let's proceed to the eyeshadow. We will be using this nude Huda Beauty. As you can see, there are 18 eyeshadows in 5 ready-to-layer textures. So I'm gonna be using the concealed eyeshadow. And the next one is the Fizz eyeshadow. So the next one, we will be using the Anastasia Beverly palette. And now let's proceed to eyeliner. Basically, I am using the Maybelline New York Makeup Seduce. It is smooth and quick drying waterproof eyeliner. So this is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof. Finally, we're done, and I hope you enjoy this video. Just comment down below for more makeup tutorials. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.